Hey viewers, welcome back to our channel Technoverse, and today we are going to talk about a new project, awesome project. There will talk about the True Points project. I will give all detail about the True Points, how we can avoid the ads and earn our money in the amazing project. So guys, please watch our video till end. So we have a disclaimer like we are not the financial advisor. So always do your own research and then invest. So guys, we have to move forward to the website and begin the video review. So guys, this is the project that is 2 points, guys. Stuck in a traffic or waiting in a line, why not get paid for it? With 2 points, watch shorts ads during your commute and earn instant blockchain rewards. Closing your everyday movement just became money making movements. Leading the Web3 revolutions, marketing and community engagement, guys. You can check that is the newly Web3 evolution project. Experience the next evolution in the marketing where real engagement is rewarded, transparency in guaranteed, and community shape the future advertising. So 2 points, guys, redefines the connection between the brands and the audience, powered by the blockchain, transparency and a global community. We deliver authentic engagement that transforms marketing into a rewarding experience overall. You can check out and watch the ads and make the profit from them. You can check out their abouts. 2 point is a reward based on platform that turns your attentions into a real value. Users get reward for watching ads, engaging with the content and staying active on the platform. So guys, we can talk about how it works. Watch ads on content. Users see ads just like they do every day. So earn points for every seconds watched or actions taken. Users earn 2 points, and you can also get a level up and a more engage with the more perks and exclusive reward you unlock. So guys, you can check out and redeem your rewards. Points can be redeemed for digital assets, discounts, loyalty perks, and even crypto depending on the campaigns model. So which are their guys highlighting points? We can check out and talk about their highlighting points. You can mention attention in the new currency. Why watch ads for free when you can earn from them? So guys, NFT loyalty system points are trackable and stored using blockchain. And guys, we can technology for our transparency. Engagement pays off. It is not just about views, it's about participation and loyalty. So gamified experience, users enjoy a fun level based reward system keeps them coming back. So guys, you are happy to watch our videos. So brand benefits, you can check out their verified reach to the engagements. Check out guys their actionable blockchain backed analytics. Check out their roadmap, guys. They have achieved many things in the roadmap. They have stage 1, stage 2. They have contributing and achieving their all goals according to their roadmaps. You can check out their whole map in the screen. Users benefits, you can also check out like a control over the engagement. You have gamified enjoyment over experiences. They have direct reward to the third attentions, membership in our global engagement. So guys, we can also talk about this is the guys their white paper. You can check out the white paper of the 2 points. You can check out their wholly about what their goals, what they are going to do in the next phase. You can check out their action transparency. So why 2 points exist. So you can check out audience skips or ignore ads. Brands struggle to track real impact, no value shared with the viewers. What we will do instead, help brands build a loyal interacting and audience. So guys, this is the whole of their white paper. You can check out their they have 25 pages. They have described all of their project in this roadmap in this white paper. So I will give the link of the white paper as well in the video description. You can check out easily. So guys, this is the project. Hope you like it. If you are someone who spends time online watching videos, scrolling through ads, 2 points lets you turn that time into rewards. Join now and make your attentions count. So guys, that's our video of this platform. Hope guys you like our video. So let's meet in the next video, guys. Goodbye.